Hello friends, how are you? This is Ishneet Sharma. I am a certified life coach from Soul to Soul Talk with Ishneet. And today I am here to talk about precautions that we need during the corona times. We need a lot of precautions these days, and today I am going to share a few important precautions with all of you. First of all, the important precaution that you all have to take is that stop drinking cold water. Don't drink water from the fridge or any other cold drinks. Aerated drinks especially you should avoid because it is in your throat. So you must be taking warm concoctions. Warm concoctions can be from anything. You can make it with tulsi, you can make it with ajwain, you can make it with so many things that is going to help you and keep your throat completely clean. It is going to help you with a lot of other things as well. When you drink such concoctions, they give you boost in your immunity. Your immunity becomes strong and then you don't have a problem with any kind of viruses. Second important precaution that you must take is you should wash your hands as often as possible. Maybe twice in an hour, maybe once in half an hour. It is very important that you maintain hygiene. You must take bath every day. Apart from that, every time you touch any surface, you have to be careful that you wash your hands or use a sanitizer. I am sure a lot of people are telling you that, but still we avoid doing it. We somehow neglect it or we somehow overlook it. Please don't do it. This is about your health. Last but not the least, very important thing. First, concoctions. Second, sanitizers and washing hands. And third most important, avoid crowds. Wherever on the shops also, if you are visiting any shops, if you are going to go for the grocery shopping, what I am seeing is that people are not maintaining necessary distance. You must do it for yourself. If you see that there is a shop where the enough distance is not being maintained, change your grocer for some time. Go to another shop where proper distance is being maintained, where the temperatures are checked before you enter the shop. This is very important. We must all follow all these precautions so that we can save ourselves from corona. Most important for all of us is to boost our immunity. Say no to packaged food, say no to aerated drinks. Don't let your immunity system go weak in these times when corona can have a health hazard on all of you. We have seen what other countries are going through, so we must be careful in such times. And all the best. I hope you keep listening to these precautions, you follow these precautions and keep safe. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you all. Take care. If you have any queries, you can get in touch with me. You can leave your query or question in the question box or the comment below. I'll be answering you back as soon as I get your query in the next episode. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe, take care.